How to log into Costco ESS employee account. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to look at how to easily log into your Costco ESS employee account. First off, you're going to have to open up your web browser and simply search for Costco ESS employee. Go to the first link employee website, and then you're going to have to click on this current employee login button. And you'll be directed over to the login page. All you have to do is provide your username that's connected to your Costco account. And once that is done, you could also use your LAN ID if you want. And if you are a vendor or a supplier, you can use your email address as well. Enter your password and then simply click on sign in. If all of your credentials are correct, you should be able to log in without any problem. And if you're having trouble with your password or if you forgot it, tap on trouble signing in, click on reset password, and you should just enter your username here, click on reset password, and you should be able to use the new password to log in. That's basically it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.